For this video, I'm going to give a quick overview of the homepage header and the different options within this section. So we're going to use the homepage that we created on the last video. So let's go ahead and click on this homepage and then click on the header section. So here we have the formatting options for our header. Then we have the logo. We can use text or image for our logo. For the text, the first one is the title. This is the title, and then the slogan below the title. You also have the option to hide or show the social media icons on the header. So if you have any Facebook account, YouTube, or Twitter, you can add them in this header section. You can show it or hide it. And the formatting options that we have is A, gives us a white background. B, gives us a black background. C, gives us a transparent background. And D, gives us a transparent background. These two last options will only be visible or displayed when you preview your homepage. So in order to preview this, we need to save our work. So we chose number D, we save, we go back, we're gonna synchronize. Then we're gonna activate the homepage that we were working on. In order to preview, click preview. And this is how the number D transparent header is gonna look like. And if we scroll down, header turns white. And don't forget that in order to preview your homepage, you need to activate first and then click preview. And this is it for the header.